First, we're gonna get this one off. How terrible this is, man. It's a Torx bit of 4, and there are 2 screws. There are screws here on the rear side. So we're gonna take that off first. We're gonna get the body sheet off over here. Okay. Then there is a bolt over there. Hoppa. Okay. Hop. Get this one off. And over here. Watch how terrible this is, man. So, now we're going to measure the voltage of the battery. It's now set to 0. Got 2 clamps. This one is the positive and that one is the negative. What I'm going to do now, this digital fluke has a memory function. So you can set it to memory, minimum, maximum, and then when you start the engine you can see how much the voltage is dipping for a split second, and it has to be above 9.6 volts. So let's see if we start up the bike where it is. So let's do that. First get the doors open and then let's do that. Auto. So, we started up the engine and we already could hear how much the voltage has dipped, but let's see. This is the voltage right now, and now I'm gonna look at the maximum is 14.4, which is good, and the lowest is 8.80, which is not good. So this battery is gone, dead. Yeah, I'm gonna install the battery. This was what the previous owner did, so we're gonna get that much better. Got tie wraps. I got a good USA battery. The negative. There is also this super long wire. I'm gonna take care of that too. Neat. Yes. Okay. then now watch this. So over there. Okay, then this one, and this one. Okay, I think we're going to do it over here. Okay, now. So, that looks much better. Now, let's see how this battery performs. We put one of my test pins on the positive and one on the, over here is the start engine, so sure this is it. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Then min max. Now let's see. We're gonna see 14 is the max and 10.4 is the min. Great.